I want to say this, and I want to be very clear. William Samoei Ruto is going home. William Samoei Ruto is going home. Mr. Speaker,
you are protected.
I want to say this. We have gotten a leader who has come to take William Ruto home. But Young is here and is taking Ruto home.
Baby Pendo. Waraka land. Scandal after scandal.
Can you keep quiet?
We are not bonding.
Ruto is doing nothing. It is so sad that a man can be on top of someone doing nothing. Ruto is doing nothing. There's nothing that's going on in this country. Everything, we are in a failed state. There's nothing that's going on. Ukiangalia mambo ya Adani, how can we have a president anakuja anatetea Adani leo, anakuja anatetea Adani mzuri, the following day anakuja anasema no, I cancel that. Yeye anakuja anasema shift, the following day anakuja na change jina. We are not voting into that. We want someone who has a plan for this country. When you cannot stand na ile msimamo wako, which means wewe si mtu unaweza aminika, you can change any time. We want someone who has a plan for this country, someone who can do development, who can stand with this stand. Huwezi kaa umeleta Adani leo, kesho umemwondoa without giving us reasons why unamuondoa. Uoga tupu. We want a leader. We want someone who can defend his plan. This guy, other than Biblia alikuwa anabeba, he has nothing to over this country. He has nothing. I can tell you for free. He has nothing. This guy, the best he has done, that's the best he has done. Kushika mkono ya Raila, that's the best. Hiyo ndio kitu alikuwa na, hiyo ndio kitu ameachieve tu. There's nothing. Don't expect anything. Watoto wetu wa shule mpaka saa hii. Look at students when wako campus. Look what's happening there. Lecturers wamesign return to work formula. But the money hawatapewa pesa mpaka saa hii. Walimu, you are a P1 teacher bana. Can you keep quiet? Keep quiet. The students on campus are suffering.
One teacher, but I want to show him. I have evidence here. I want him to distinguish whether I'm a P1 or not.
No,
just
you can tell me later. It's okay. So, what I'm saying is this.
P1 teacher.
What I'm saying is this.
I'm a PhD holder, you call me a P1 teacher.
Okay, let me wind up. Okay, I'm saying this. 2027. Whether you come from the lakeside, whether you come from the coast, whether wewe ni wa mlima, wewe ni wa wapi, we have one aim, and our aim is to send this guy home. Hakuna maneno ngine, hakuna njia ngine. We want to send him home. Ruto, mimi mwenyewe nitasimama kiti ya MP huko kwetu, and I will ensure Ruto hadi kukanyaga huko will be so hard for him. This guy cannot come to my place. And there's something I want to say here. There's something I want to say here. There's something I want to say here. Yes, our ladies, our young girls, our women, please. Hii mambo ya kucheza hii mechi za away sana. Ukipata mtu, stick to your guy. Hii mechi ya kupeana mechi za away sana. Tafanya muuliwe wasichana wetu. Please stick to one guy. Kama mumeona ni ngumu sana wasichana. It is better to stay single than kuanza kucheza game hapa na pale. Ama ambia wa machamaa, hizo game unachezanga wewe ni mtu wa magame tu. Ndio. Hivyo, asante.
Thank you very much.